in that video. Take attitude chaylo te. I was watching the video. Take attitude chay mare. To kero kana mare to take pack kota ani kit kota. Take ye take bond dur na moine bopun bond dur pai take shop. Take kodba duk lakh pan dusar part kon ajak. You cannot come into India and say that Pakistan Jindabad is not to be tolerated.
Anti-national असे म्हणते जे लागवाक जाय अशी दिसता तुका.
That is disputable. You have to give somebody a first chance. You cannot directly accuse somebody like that. But what he has done, he has to be penalized for it so that the next fellow doesn't do it. See, law and order म्हणते सारखे जावपा जाय आणि यश कोण स्टार्ट जाता. Easy give up जायना. I was watching the police also. I saw a video chayla. Something needs to be set right there.
So what type of action should the government should take, police have to take for on?
See, I have always been in the assembly shouting at the back of any incident that police have to correct the image. It is not the politician. It is the police. The onus of responsibility lies on the police. If the police act, even politicians will not be able to say no. And vice versa. So, police has to do their job. They have to save their image first. If at all law and order is anything, if there is an issue today, police are entirely responsible. That's their job. You cannot say that, no, I have told this, he has told it, that has to told that. Law and order enforcement agency has to do their job. The IGP is wholly and solely, or the DGP is wholly and solely responsible. With every IO, wholly and solely responsible. That's it.
So how do you see the law and order situation in Goa?
See, law and order situation is a recurring process. You cannot see, such type of incidents are bound to happen. But if one incident, the police takes action and does the right thing, it will not repeat. These actions are repeated because the Kenzalo kite gele am sutta me Kenzaba the attitude daklago mala hai. Police are responsible. Tomorrow if something happens, politician will not be blamed, police will be blamed. So they should not forget it and they should act. Even on this Naval incident, I have written to the police, I have written to the IGP. Time and again on all issues, we have been writing in Sarke real hard language that the police should act. And police should say the onus of responsibility police, and police, in order not to get their image destroyed, should see that proper action is taken.
But police in the image is going to there is a Rohan Kote IPS officer illegally event.
I am not a police.